Do a quick before and after before we put the carbon parts on the inside. Just show what it looks like. Oh, it's stock as a rock. Alright, let's put some carbon on. So we've done the before, now let's do the after. Looks much better with the carbon pieces in. Just changes the whole look of the inside of the car. That mama work bag. As you can see, pretty stock engine base so far. Very clean. We've also got the STI strut brace put on. And I'm not sure how well you can see that, if it's going to focus. We've got the STI coils as well, front and back. And we've also got the STI aero kit on all the way around, as well as the wheels. Little STI ducktail as well. And then the rear diffuser. Makes the car just look a little bit different to all the other ones. Overall, I think a great little shell to start with. Stay tuned for some upcoming modifications.